Sorry guys, I had the light turn off. I forgot I could turn the light on. Those are awesome. She airbrushed those.
These are amazing.
Handmade cookies. She made them in North Carolina though, at the bed and breakfast.
Look at that.
All right, split it in half. Let's see the cookie.
Not bed and breakfast, Airbnb.
Airbnb.
Look,
Look.
broken heart.
Oh, that's right.
Are you gonna show yourself eating it, or do I have to do it?
You. Oh my God, that is good.
Oh.
Oh wow.
The perfect sugar cookie.
Milton's like, Milton's like, give me a cookie.
Absolutely.
That was a good cookie.
Oh, that's a perfect sugar cookie.
They must be on diets over there. These cookies rock. Thank you for the cookies, Miss Vicky.
Thank you.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Oh,
Yum.
that is perfect.
Hey guys, you can see the dew is quickly setting in. Like, I mean, this is a lot of dew real fast. Fog is coming. It's not really, is it settling on the car as much? So the dew is definitely settling. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get this in or not. I mean, we'll see what they want to do. They said 30 minutes in between rounds, but we may need to speed it up. I don't know how quickly. I mean, we went fourth pair down, and we're due up second pair. So we're not changing anything to the car. We're gonna leave it exactly the way it was or is. It ran good. I mean, that was a good lick, very strong, very solid. So we're super happy with the way it run. Man, that was a good pass. We're gonna push up in just a few minutes and see what the deal is. All right, guys, here we go. Hey, look, I have, oh my goodness, I got the light on and I can see, it looks like it's snowing in my camera. It's so, no, seriously, look at this.
Oh, wow. It does look like snow.
It looks like it is snowing. That is moisture. Dude.
Welcome to the snow of the drag race.
Wow, that is a lot of moisture in the air. All right, we'll see what happens. We're gonna push down there. All right, guys. So we're at 8 cars. No, we're at 8 cars. 8 cars. We got to race CB Gilbert. This thing is fast. It's a rocket ship. So we're gonna go have fun. Made it down to 8 cars, man. This is awesome. Be careful. Drive safe.
Duck. Be a big duck.
I can't believe mine just run. I mean, honestly, it just went faster than it's ever been out here. I mean,
Don't tell me that.
I mean, I'm just saying. I mean,
I don't have any more up there. I don't need to hear that.
okay. Hey, anybody got a flip coin? I've done a give Brandy's. Hold on, we got one. No, we got one. Hold on. Oh. All right, so you're a nitrous car, right? Yeah. Okay, so we got turbo on one side, nitrous on the other side. Here, flip it, and you want nitrous, I'll take turbo.
Turbo, sir.
Turbo.
I'll be in the lane you're not.
I'm gonna take right lane.
Okay.
Hey, you almost flipped as good as me.
All right, be careful,
Good
sir.
luck, man.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, we got the win. Dude, look at the in my camera light. Look, it looks like snow. There's a lot of moisture. We're down to 4 cars. I can't believe we made it down to 4 cars. I mean, so we're turning it around. They said a 20-minute turnaround. I forgot to turn the draggy on that time. I did have to hit the scramble. He was out on me a little bit, and luckily I was able to run him back down a little bit. But it was tight at the finish line. I don't know what I run, but I mean I didn't touch it from the last time, so it should have been a decent pass. So I can't believe it. We are down to 4 cars out of 117. That's crazy. Crazy. We're pushing up for the semifinals. We got to race Bobby Parks this round. Man, it is so foggy. You really, when you're driving into this stuff at 130 mile an hour, you can't see nothing. I couldn't see the tower. Just can't see anything. And I had to grab the scramble on that one. I mean, he was out on me, and luckily I was able to catch him. He jumped out on me early. So Bobby's a turbo car as well. So this should be a good round. I mean, he's won this one before. I mean, he's got a very fast hot rod. He got down into the semifinals, or got to the finals at Corey Stamper's race. We had the dew on the back glass. Hard to believe we're down to 4 cars.
Yeah, we've done good. It's crazy.
That's so crazy.
You've done good.
This has been awesome. Man, this is feeling like kind of sketchy. All right, so here we go. 4 cars coming aroround.
I mean, in my opinion, I still want to race another round. I'd like to split it lightly, give the 2 losers some money, if anybody else is on that page. But if not, it don't matter to me. We just gotta get everybody
25, 5, 3, and 2. Now I'm going.
I was going to
do whatever.
My idea was going to be like 1,500, 1,500.
That's actually a pretty good split.
Kind of.
What was it?
Out in the finals.
No chicken in the fight.
Yeah.
Split
Are
it
you
up.
going to get the finals in, though? That's the question, man. I mean,
Yeah.
so you're saying
We just need everybody's thoughts.
Some people like 25, 25.
Yeah. If we do that, we might as well not race. But I want to split it 4 ways even.
so they're saying the track's not going to cancel it?
No, we're sending.
All right, yep.
Turbo left.
All right, very good. Thanks, sir. Good luck. Hey, what about bump? Yours is spooling a little slower?
I'm giving it a thumbs up. Yeah, just give it
Thumbs up. You go first. You go first. I'll go second.
No bump this time.
I'm bumping.
All right, as soon as you start coming up, we're going to come up.
Okay. Well, how slow is it? Yours was slow last time.
it's quicker.
Last time you told me it was fast and it was a little slower.
3.5, 4 seconds.
Okay, so mine's faster than yours then.
All right.
So
You guys spool up, bump, and I'll give him a thumbs up, and we're going.
So I can go in first.
okay, yeah, go in first, and I'm gonna count to like 2 after you start. I'm gonna hear you go 1 1,000, 2 1,000. I'm coming up, and then you get the thumbs up. I'm ready to bump, and I'll just bump in second. All right, very good. Thank you. Good luck. I come out here expecting to win nothing. The dew is actually getting better. The fog is getting better. It is, isn't it?
Y'all push it out of the way going down.
It really is. It's better. All right, guys. The car slowed down 0.3 of a second. Milton, what did I do wrong?
Getting shift at the right shift point.
I didn't short shift it. And so, yeah, I didn't short shift it. But, you know, and that's what the last pass, I forgot to turn on the draggy. I did short shift it. Pass before that, where I run my personal best, I short shifted it. That pass, I did not short shift it. And I didn't short shift it because I was shifting it by the seat of my pants. I was not shifting it with an electric shifter. So, you know, or an air shifter. You know how easy it would be to put an air shifter in here? Yeah, that wouldn't be too hard where I could look at it and say, okay, we want to shift this thing at 5,200 RPM.
You hold on to the steering wheel and then reach for the scramble when you need it.
And it shifts it. That's a thought the new car is going to have. The new car will have an automatic shifter, and I won't have to worry about it. That means I can also cut off the shift light, which is blinding me down track.
That's a god-awful yellow one.
So if anybody out there wants to sponsor air shifters for Turbo John, you know how to get a hold of it.
But man, we had a great time. It is late. What time is it now? It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I cannot believe the fog got lit. Look, when we were down there, I was like, what is that light on the track? I was like, is that the finish line? I could not see anything. It was rough. So Randy's on the way home. He's got a 2-hour ride home. Brandon's fixing to cut out. How long is your ride?
Hour 30, hour 40.
Oh my God, y'all are more than welcome to stay. I mean, we got a room to stay. He said he's going to the house. He's tired of sleeping in. We had fun. We had a good time. I can't believe we made it as far as we did. The car run, the 2 passes before the last one, it ran really fast. It ran really good. It was really strong. I'm really happy with it. If we wouldn't have slowed down 0.3, we would have made it more of a drag race. It kicked the tires, and I shifted it, but it smoked him, and he was out bus lengths on me. I mean, he was a long ways in front of me. So I don't even know if my pass, if I would have shifted it properly, I don't know if it would have been fast enough either. But it was a good race. So we are going home in, I guess, 3rd or 4th place. No, I guess it would be 4th place since we went first. So the finals is going to be Patches and Bobby Parks. Here you go. Coming up, finals in a second. All right, here we go to finals. You got Patches over here on this side, Bobby Parks on the other side. I don't know which lane they got. The fog is miraculously cleared. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. Bobby Parks for the win.
Here we go. You got yesterday's winner, Colby Patterson of the all-out class. Ethan's dying to be in that spot right now. Probably would have done the same thing, matter of fact. We got Bobby Parks on the right-hand lane, your small tire winner, 2nd night in a row. Here we go.
So this is a good race. Small tire winner versus big tire
We're
winner.
gonna stay here late tonight for this one. Sonny, you ready to point left to right? Word. Is your boy ready up top?
So the question has been,
Here we go.
would a legit small tire car outrun an all-wheel drive small tire?
Inquiring minds want to know. By the way, there's no jumps, no nothing here. We're going.
Free race.
Done deal.
I think the small tire car got...
They made it fight. Oh man, I believe I know what happened, but oh man, they got to go back to the camera they don't have. It's a win to Bobby Parks.
Right
Is that a
lane.
small tire car beating an all-out car?
Wow. All right, guys. Well, that's going to wrap it up Dig or Die Flashlight Fiesta. Always a blast. What a great time. Bobby Parks with the win, small tire, 117 cars. I got down to 4. That's amazing. Class winner put me out. It put me out by bus links. I was way behind, but you know, it is what it is. Y'all make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. Thanks, guys. Later.